I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Tesla screen. We will cover two main types of resets, a soft reset and a hard reset. Understanding when to use each can save you a trip to service. A soft reset is perfect for minor glitches, like a frozen app or a slight delay in responsiveness. A hard reset is a more comprehensive solution for when the screen is completely unresponsive or blank. Both methods are straightforward and can be performed in just a few moments. Performing a soft reset is incredibly simple and often resolves many common issues. First, make sure your Tesla is in park. Then, locate the two scroll wheels on your steering wheel, one on the left and one on the right. Press and hold both of these scroll wheels down at the same time. Keep holding them for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. The screen will turn completely black, and then the Tesla logo will reappear, indicating the system is restarting. This process usually takes about 30 seconds to complete. If a soft reset doesn't resolve your issue, a hard reset is the next step. Again, ensure your Tesla is safely in park. This time, you will press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel, just like with the soft reset, but you will also press and hold the brake pedal simultaneously. Keep all three inputs held down for about 20 seconds. The screen will go black, and you will see the Tesla logo reappear. This more thorough reset can often fix deeper software glitches that a soft reset might miss. While these resets are powerful tools, there are times when you should contact Tesla service. If your screen remains completely blank or unresponsive after performing both a soft and hard reset multiple times, it's time to reach out. Similarly, if you experience persistent flickering, distorted images, or issues with critical controls, professional assistance is warranted. These resets are designed to be easy, empowering you to troubleshoot minor issues quickly and efficiently, keeping your driving experience smooth and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.